Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special. The all-new 2026 Lexus LX 800, a flagship luxury SUV from Lexus that pushes refinement, power, and technology to another level. If you love big luxury SUVs that combine off-road capability with first-class comfort, this one is definitely worth your attention. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 LX 800 carries a bold and commanding presence. The signature spindle grille is larger and more refined, featuring a new mesh pattern that gives it a premium yet aggressive look. The LED headlights are sharper and slimmer, adding a futuristic touch to the front fascia. Moving along the sides, you'll notice strong character lines, massive alloy wheels, and a high ground clearance that instantly reminds you this SUV is built for both city, streets, and rugged terrains. Around the back, the full-width LED taillight bar adds a modern aesthetic, while the sculpted tailgate and subtle chrome accents complete the upscale design. Overall, it looks powerful, elegant, and unmistakably Lexus. Now let's talk about performance, because the LX 800 is not just about looks. Under the hood, it is expected to feature a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine paired with a hybrid system, delivering impressive horsepower and torque. This setup ensures quick acceleration despite the SUV's size, while also improving fuel efficiency compared to older V8 models. The advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension make sure you get a smooth ride on highways and excellent control off-road. Whether you're driving through rough terrain or cruising in the city, the LX 800 feels stable, responsive, and incredibly refined. The drive modes allow you to switch between comfort, sport, and off-road settings, giving you flexibility depending on your driving needs. Step inside, and the interior is where the LX 800 truly shines. The cabin is designed with high-end materials like premium leather, real wood, and brushed metal accents. The seats are large, supportive, and extremely comfortable, offering heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in higher trims. The dashboard features a massive infotainment system with a crisp display, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster. You also get a secondary touchscreen for climate controls, making everything feel modern and intuitive. Rear passengers are treated like VIPs, especially in the executive seating configuration, which includes reclining seats, extra legroom, and individual entertainment screens. The cabin is also incredibly quiet, thanks to advanced sound insulation, making every journey relaxing. In terms of technology, the LX 800 is packed with features. You get the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, and smartphone connectivity is seamless with wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Everything feels thoughtfully designed to enhance convenience and safety. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Lexus LX 800 is expected to start at around $95,000 and can go well above $120,000 depending on the trim and options. It's definitely a premium investment, but considering the level of luxury, performance, and reliability Lexus is known for, it offers strong value in the high-end SUV segment. So overall, the LX 800 is a perfect blend of luxury, capability, and advanced technology. It's built for those who want comfort without sacrificing performance, and it stands out as one of the most refined full-size SUVs on the market today. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing car content. See you in the next video.